I used to trade and get happy when I earned the odd percentage, but now I've discovered a deving method that has got me nearly $1 million sitting in my Phantom wallet. If you watch this video, I will show you the simple step-by-step process that I discovered that allowed me to dev coins consistently and make money quickly. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Very soon we're going to get into the live demonstration, but first I like to have a look at some of the coins that are currently available and see what kind of stories are unfolding. So let's take a look at what's happening here. And from what we can see, we've got an initial real big kick up to this sort of peak here, and then it seems like the coin is kind of just falling away slowly but surely. Now, if I were trading on this coin and I had seen that peak, I probably wouldn't have much confidence in where this coin is going now. I'd get to that peak point, sell everything, and then I would just leave it be. And I think a lot of people have thought the same because it's just on a downward trajectory. There were a few peaks later on, but it's just not reached where it was at that 16-12 mark. So, you know, this is a case where people can lose faith in these coins really quickly. And so it's important when you run, say, as a dev, that you take advantage of the ups when they come. Because you can see here, not many people have actually had much of a success on this coin. A few have, and they've made a few K here and there, but you know, a lot of people have made losses. Now, my method, which uses createcoin.fun, puts you in control, you in the driver's seat. You can create your own coin, launch it with a bit of Solana, and you don't need to know how to code. There is no coding required in this process. It used to be that when you were launching coins, you had to know how to code, but on createcoin.fun, you only need to push a few buttons and then you can get your coin on the market. It's as easy as that. But first, let's take a look at markets. Now, most coin devs end up on the pump market, and the problem with the pump market is that most devs are on there. So what that means is that when you upload your coin to pump, you are now competing with tens of thousands of coins that were released that second, on top of all the other coins that already exist. You're never going to get past that noise, and that's why on average all of the market caps are really low. The coins don't really have a chance to get anywhere. But if we switch to the Matora market, we can use dynamic on terminal, and we can see that there is a much better spread in terms of market cap. So there are now several that get into the hundreds of Ks, plenty that get into the tens of Ks, some even break into the millions, and in some cases I've seen even the billions, which is really impressive, and that's because the coins have just got more breathing room. Now, back to CreateCoin. I've got just over $100 worth of Solana in my Phantom wallet. I recommend you have about that much money in the bank ready to go in order to get this method done. We're going to hit Connect Wallet, and then you simply click Phantom, because if it's already attached to your browser, it will auto-detect and put it on there. Now, when it comes to launching your coin, as I said, you do not need to know any coding, but what you would do if you wanted to launch a coin from scratch is you'd come up with its name here, you'd give it a symbol, you'd give it an image, you'd associate it with an event or a meme or something that you think will catch the attention, but we're not going to do that because that requires a lot of work, research, and marketing. Instead, we are going to use the copy trending tool. Now, this is an interesting feature on createcoin.fun that allows you to look at the coins that have done really well on Pump. And so, as I said before, Pump is not a very hospitable market for coins because of all the noise, but these coins have managed to get through that. So these are well-proven concepts. So you can see you've got their names, you've got their market caps, and you've also got when they were last paired. So you can use that information to decide which coin you want to go with. Now, from my method, any of these coins would be good. You can hit refresh if you want to see any others, but today we're going to let's do the Great Halving. It's a 30k market cap coin, last paired a couple hours ago, so why don't we just copy that one? So when you click copy coin, what's going to initially happen, especially on the first time you set this up, you may get this request blocked box here. So what you need to do is hit proceed, confirm, and tick a box and hit confirm. Okay, so all this is just saying that, you know, your money's at stake, because it always is. It's meme coins, we know this. Now we have created our token successfully, but at the moment it's currently not worth anything. So what we need to do is create a liquidity pool. Now, a liquidity pool is just us putting a bit of our Solana behind the coin to give it some initial value before we put it on the market. So the only thing we need to change on this menu is the amount of SOL. I would always recommend putting 0.2 SOL into the coin. That has been the number that has done me wonders. You can try higher, you can try a bit lower. Minimum you can go is 0.01 SOL, okay? But I would always do 0.2. It seems to have worked the best in terms of how it's performed on market. So then we create a pool there, we hit confirm, all right, and then we are nearly ready to go. There's just one more step before we look at Deck Screener. So we've got our coin here, we've got initial details about it, we've got the pooled SOL, the pooled tokens, and the estimated value sitting at 1471. But before we go to DexScreener, let's hit this lightning bolt button. Now, this is a crucial step in this process. This is really important, and this is what really makes the method tick. We are going to boost our token to the top of DexScreener's trending list for an hour. Now, I'm not even going to run this for an hour, and you're going to see it's well worth the cost. It's a 0.25 Solana cost, but as I said, I won't even run this for an hour, and you'll see I will make profit from this. So let's make sure we're hitting that boost. As I said, this is what gets us in front of all the important traders, okay? The bot traders and the trend chasers. They're the ones that will give us the initial capital that will get us in front of everybody else. So let's hit confirm there, and then let's move on to DexScreener. So let's pop it in full screen, have a look on DexScreener now, and here we are. So you can see halving is now live on the Matora market there, and already we have burst the 1k cap on market cap. So we are doing extremely well, way better than most of the coins on Pump. I said most don't even burst the $10 mark. So already, as you can see, the compounding factors of the good market, the proven coin, and the boost have allowed us to break past all those initial barriers that stop those new coins, okay? Especially when we're not actually investing that much money into the coin initially. All right, so you can see our liquidity going up. You can see market cap at 4.8k briefly there. That is fantastic. So now that we have got a bunch of liquidity in our coin, we basically can pull out whenever we'd like, and we will make plenty of money. And that's the beauty of being a developer. Back to createcoin.fund, we're going to hit refresh, and soon we will see the new estimated value of our coin. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is tell you that when I make money on these coins, I always like to give away 50% to one lucky viewer who likes, subscribes, and leaves a comment. So $14 initially, we've gone to $950.98. Fantastic. Hit the minus button, 100% of the liquidity, hit remove, and then that's it. It's now in my Phantom wallet. Good to go. Easy as that, guys. Just a few button presses, and I've turned $100 into $951. This is a method that you have got to get on very quickly, because soon enough, everybody's going to be doing this.